friends, today I am going to teach you how to do in blocks pyramid. Okay, you want blocks, bigger blocks, biggest sorry friends, biggest blocks, bigger blocks and big blocks. Okay, shall we start now? First we want a